In this video, you will learn how to add Google Business Reviews to your loan officer website. By connecting your Google Business profile, your customers will see reviews that are specific to you, from a source they trust, and that are up to date. To successfully connect Google Reviews to your website, you will first need to verify the following 2 steps. 1. Have a Google Business profile with at least 1 review. If you are unsure or would like to create a business profile, visit www.google.com/business for help. 2. Ensure that there is a Google Reviews section present on your website. If you do, it will show the reviews for your company. If you do not see one, contact your website administrator. Begin by logging in. Then, click on Users on the sidebar. Then, click the Edit button or the blue pencil on your loan officer profile. Next, click on the Reviews tab. Click Set up Google Reviews and use the search bar to find your Google Business profile. When you have found your business's profile, click Select. To verify that you have the correct profile, click the gear next to Import Testimonials from Google, and then click View Google Review Page. You will be directed to the business profile on Google that you have selected. Verify that you have the correct Google Business profile selected before moving on. Now that you have verified that you have connected the correct profile, click Import Testimonials from Google. This may take a few minutes. You can leave the page during this if you would like to. After the reviews have finished importing, visit your loan officer website. Your customers will now see your Google reviews instead of your company's. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Google reviews to your loan officer website, providing valuable insight to your customers and helping to build trust and credibility. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.